I've always been pretty good with my hands. My dad told me that I needed to have a skill if I ever wanted to amount to anything in life. I guess that's why I started picking locks.
Thank you.
I'm a file clerk now. If you can find a moral somewhere in that story, go ahead, because I sure as hell can't.
You haven't located Sean Clinton's release form yet, have you?
No.
We have to find it. Sorry. Mr. Peterson said he'd have a new key for us by Thursday.
Yeah, well, he said that last week, too.
Chinese food again.
What the hell's that?
It's a suitcase.
Are you going somewhere?
California. I'm visiting my parents for a month. I told you last week, remember? Don't forget to take the trash out on Friday.
In elementary school, my teacher said that I was very ambitious. It was a couple of years before I learned what that word actually meant. I guess she may have been onto something. Sometimes I ask myself if I'm a bad person. I don't usually get much of an answer, though. I'd ask my dad, but I already know what he'd say. When it comes down to it, it's really a question you have to figure out how to answer yourself. Maybe someday I will.
Found Sean Clinton's release form. You don't look too good.
I'm tired.
You just got here.
Yeah, I know. I have to go.
What?
I'm sorry. I have to go.
Well, you have to unlock the door for me before you leave.
I'm gonna show you how to do this. These kind of locks all have these pins in them, which are called tumblers. The correct key will fit underneath all of them because it's cut to match. Sometimes I feel like bringing order to the world. Maybe a better way to describe it would be to say that I feel like finding the order within this world and pulling it out. Like a sculptor who knows that a statue already exists within a block of marble. Maybe that's just me, though. Like I said, I've always been pretty good with my hands.